My brother is.
I told you by now.
Wales, you've made it this far. If you want to cycle back into a training platoon, pay me my 54 sit-ups. Move!
Whoever the poor bastard was, at least he found a way out of here. Releasing me from crib.
That's great, man.
Yeah, from purgatory to hell.
You know what it would be like to look Cody in the eye.
Or you shiv him in the neck. Personally, going back to somebody who's been an asshole to me and making them see how much better I am without them. Basically the whole reason to go on living.
Yeah, but what about just being free of it all, you know? I'm done crying over a brother. And I lost a long time ago. I don't need his apologies, and I don't need his approval. I'm just gonna rise above it.
You must be Cope. Looks like we're bunkies.
I've been watching you, boy.
This is ladies.
Or to suck my dick.
When corn-fed does it for free.
What you doing?
You're not supposed to be in here.
Oh, he speaks. Been here almost a week. You've hardly said 2 words to me.
I can't be in here.
You ever check these drawers?
Or you get out of there, man. Hell will kill us both.
Werther's. My grandma loves these. You think Howard crochets too?
Why are you in here, shittard?
Sir, this recruit was readying the squad bay trash for disposal. The scribe was busy, so this recruit took it upon himself to get the garbage.
Out. Both of you.
Each set of coordinates will lead you to the location of an ammo can with a letter on it.
On a pair?
It should be about 20 yards due west.
Let's play a game.
6 more coordinates to find.
Come on. Truth or dare? How often do you jerk it at boot camp?
What? I don't, so never.
Never? This whole time?
No. No, I'm not. Oh, there it is.
My turn. Truth.
What? I don't know. What made you join the Marines?
I was living with my ex, and it ended badly. So I said, fuck it. Went to the mall, got a jumbo-sized.
Jones.
Are you asleep?
Clean your shit up!
Hey, did I do anything weird in my sleep last night? No.
What do you think of the...
Isaac. He's right, though. Shoulders back.
I mean, the kill inside. Who am I kidding?
You know what I think? You've got just as much rage as the rest of us. Go. Maybe more. There you go.
Jones. With me.
Jab. I know your secret. Cross. I know you want out. Jab.
That's not a secret, sir. Everybody wants out of boot camp.
Not like you do. Cross. You had Crip Platoon under observation for a sleep disorder. Jab. Medical could have confirmed whether it's real or if you're faking.
This recruit isn't faking it, sir.
Hook cross. Hook cross. Hook cross. You want a medical discharge? Hook. I can get you one. Cross. First, I got an assignment for you.
He's gonna mess with us. That's what he does.
Fuck Sullivan.
Lights out in 2 minutes.
With another fighter.
You okay?
Yeah.
I'm not supposed to tell you this, but you were right. Sullivan's messing with us. He's gonna make us fight.
I told you.
He wants us to kick the shit out of each other. That's his plan. Let's not give him the satisfaction.
Okay. What do we do?
We make our own plan.
Nobody's gonna believe I can kick the shit out of you. This isn't Karate Kid.
All you have to do is not look like a chump. You strike first, get a good shot to my face. I'll look like I'm mad. I'll throw a right hook. You drop, nice and clean.
Oh, I can't pull the punch. I'll know.
And don't. I can take it. Just be careful with my eyes. They're pretty. You and me, remember?
Kill.
Come on, Kim, let's go!
That's not what you said.
It's not a big deal. Don't be a faggot about it.
Come on, Cam, let's go!
Give the recruit a chance to defend himself.
Cam, stop!
Enough! All right, show's over. Move out. Doc, over here now.
That's enough.
Recruit, you hear me?
This meatbag's in your pack. Jones never leaves your side.
This is what you asked.
Back to being Sullivan's special boy, huh?
You know what? We're not fucking done yet. Okay?
Starving. And so are you. You're really in a hurry to get back to that? Come on. 5 minutes. Beans and Franks.
You got beef stew? Trade?
I like beans and franks.
You really don't see what's happening here? Sullivan fucked us both. He's using me to shape you into his own fucked up image. That's the only reason I'm still here. He promised me a medical discharge if I fucked with you.
Oh, was that before or after the woods? You said it was me and you. You lied to me.
Oh, and lies are suddenly an issue for you? You can lie with the best of us.
I never lied to you.
Please, Cameron. You lie every day just to be here. We both know they'd take us out with the trash if they knew the truth about us. Only difference between you and me? You think they'd be right to do it.
Get up, go.
Sorry.
Come on, get up.
I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Cameron, I don't see how a guy like you looks at Sullivan and says, yeah, I want to be like him. Sign me up. He's not real. I know what he looks like, but that guy is no hero. He's just a self-hating bully.
Maybe I know more about bullies than you do.
I have a sheriff on base looking for a Marine who almost killed a civilian in a bar fight.
No. Don't. Sir! Sir, I did what you wanted. Cameron's back on your program. I just need you to sign my medical discharge like you promised. Please, sir.
The situation's changed, recruit. You're on your own. You're gonna be okay.
For fraudulent enlistment, eh, boys?
Yeah! Save your strength. He needs a splint. Foxshot Actual, this is 32 Charlie. I have Recruit Jones here.
We'll see you in hell, double dog.
Save me a seat.
Front row center.